I write in the dark with the paper I'm putting my pen to. Try to fuck on my mental, said my potential was minimum wage. Majority died before 25, 40 years later we're put in a grave. I'm built up a rage, this is the culture you sent me to save. Society stuck in a cage, remembering back in the day. Feeling so real while I ride when I bump Kanye, but damn real turned into Photoshop Kim K. Every day when they wake up, girls cake up on your makeup all over their face. They think it's okay, they're fucking their way to the top. They see all your money and stay at the waist. They throw up the tin and I know when you're fake. They'll never compare to the pics that you take. And this is a world that you fucking create, a world that your daughter can't even escape. See, you were the one that was set to decay, a word in which I have been sent here to say. But yay, I think we're on the same page, cause I've been jacking off to Kim since I was in the 5th grade. You see, you show us how to live, but it's a fib to get paid. Now Mr. West, I got a question. Who are the new slaves? See what media made, a pawn of the game, enslaved to what TV and radio play. I ain't pointing to blame, I ain't pointing to blame, cause it all don't hang on you. I'm a slave for the truth, and that's a point that I needed to prove. Well, we're slave to a label, and it's funny that label's a slave to the youth. So why can't you see all the power in you? Kid from your class couldn't pass, but he drew till it turned into music you're listening to. Now we're changing the world with a fucking IQ. Walked in the label like, yo, what it do? So give me a meal, better off make it two. Creative control in the bowl for the stew, so you can ask Dan, he was there with me too. Ugh, I don't like the stew, I ain't signing shit. 10 writers who can barely write a hit. Compare me to, check the writer list. They're an image who the industry will use as a fucking tool just to get more rich. So you get it yet? I'm sick of the line, indie when really a sign. Make it